Hi, this is Zoe. Welcome to my channel.
Introducing the bottle-shaped juice pouch, a unique and convenient packaging solution for beverages on the go. Firstly, these pouches mimic the shape of a traditional bottle, offering a familiar and ergonomic design for consumers. The bottle shape not only enhances the aesthetics but also provides ease of handling and pouring, designed for convenience. These pouches are perfect for storing and transporting various types of juices, smoothies, and other beverages. The choice of bottle-shaped juice pouches is justified by their portability, resealability, and eco-friendly nature, as they often use less material compared to traditional bottles.